In this video, we're going to be assembling the crankcase. We're going to put the IMS bearing in, the front crank seal in, and the rear crank seal in, all in one shot. So Mike's preparing the cylinders there. What are you just cleaning it real good?
Yep. Even though it's been through a washer and everything, there's always residual grit from honing.
Oh yeah, nice.
They're lint-free, for one thing. Fairly cheap. And they let you know when the cylinder's clean because they stay clean.
Now, is there a timing mark on the IMS or no?
The shaft is not timed. The way the chains are set up, you're doing it maybe 15 degrees before top dead center on the cylinder that they're timing. You set the chains and everything up. You have the sprocket so there's some room for them to advance. Tension the chain and everything. Then you turn the engine to the timing mark and you lock down all the sprockets.
And you can see this is the proper way to lift a crankcase assembly because the thing weighs so much. So this allows for the nice, easy, slow process of lowering this bearing, the crankcase bearing assembly into the cylinder block without having 2 or 3 guys over here to lift the thing and put it in there. You pinch and can kink a chain. You can do all kinds of stuff, right? But this allows also the slow moving process to install the rear main seal and the front crank seal on at the same time. So the front crank seal and the rear main is going in right now.
Okay. That should be facing down here. Because there's an offset to this.
Oh yes,
Once you put it in, you can't turn it.
Yeah, okay. Mike's getting everything lined up just perfect. Beautiful.
Right in.
Set right in there. Nice. So here the crank bearing assembly is in with the crankshaft. It is in this side of the case. Now what's going to take place is the pistons and connecting rods are going to go in through this way. This leaves the other end of the bearing case exposed. So then you can put the connecting rod end caps on here and then do the same torque procedure that we did on the bench, but now we're going to do it with this piece assembled. We have the crankshaft installed here into the crankcase of cylinder 1, 2, and 3. The IMS is also installed along with the IMS bearing, the front crank seal and the rear crank seal. On the next video, we'll start installing the pistons.